is you're going to get out of the state jail facility. You're going to continue to use drugs. You may continue to have a bunch of children. And those children are not going to have a father figure. And if they do, and if it's you, they're not going to have a good example of what it means to be a good father who actually works and does not steal. Court is calling 2022 CR 6573 State of Texas versus Luis Castillo. Could our parties announce for the record for the state,
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
for the defense?
Jorge Canales for the defense.
And are you Mr. Castillo?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, defense, I'm showing you the acknowledgement of discovery. Have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
Yes, we have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Castillo, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We waive it.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor, we are proceeding on the indictment as presented.
Mr. Castillo, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with theft under $2,500 enhanced as a state jail felony? The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you are giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses to this offense?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Castillo, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 6 months in the state jail facility. There's a $1,500 fine. Did you understand that to be, I'm sorry, and there are no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea bargain agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea bargain agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged in the indictment, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor, the state moves to enter State Exhibit 1 in all detachments.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Mr. Castillo, I'm showing you what's entitled Waiving Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront
Yes, Your Honor.
any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, parties off the record. I don't have the judgments for 6600058.
Your Honor, should read the backwards of the judgment for 620.
All right, unless I'm missing it, I only see the one for 620193. Let me see if I see the other one. Yes, I only have 620193. So the one I don't have is 660058.
Apologies, Your Honor. Here you go.
All right, any objections to the state supplementing?
No objections.
Would you like to show this to your client?
I explained it to him down the windows.
And we're back on the record. Thank you. All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, sir.
All right, is there anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just that the plea bargain filed with Your Honor, he's knows that he has a problem and he wants to take care of this today.
All right, Mr. Castillo, what is your problem that you know that you have?
To be 100.
Okay, I cannot.
To be 100 with you, Your Honor, I haven't been in state jail like 9 years ago. First time I ever went to state jail and I didn't go back. So like I was telling my lawyer that if I have to go back and sit down for a little bit and get my mind right, you know.
So why is your mind not right?
No. It's just that it's because look, I lost custody of my kids and I came to 4 and I have 4 more kids now. But I'm just.
Wait a minute, you say you lost custody of your
Yeah, I
kids
lost kids. And I came to San Antonio, and ever since I came to San Antonio, I've been just on this road, you know. I've been on this bumpy road, and I told my lawyer that if I have to go to state, you know, sit down for a little bit. I said I told him I didn't mind. I told him I'll sign for the.
No, but here's the thing, you haven't told me why you're on this road.
I'm on this road because I'm just a little hard-headed.
You're a little what?
A little hard-headed. A little hard-headed, you know. That's all. Just a little hard-headed.
Why are you a little hard-headed?
We grew up in a small town called Fort Worth. I grew up in a small town called Fort Worth.
I don't think Fort Worth is that small. What's the population of Fort Worth?
It got bigger. It's like almost.
Well, I mean, every city
Yes.
usually has another city that's bigger than it, but I don't consider Fort Worth small. Maybe I'm wrong with my
Yes.
geographical education, but I don't view that as a small city.
Yes.
And I still don't understand what a small city has to do with stealing.
Yes, ma'am.
I mean, you're saying yes, ma'am, but what does being born or raised in Fort Worth have to do with you stealing?
Okay, you want to know the truth?
Yes, keep it 100. You said you're gonna be
I
100.
have a drug problem.
All right, so what is your drug issue?
My drug issue is methamphetamines.
Okay, so how long have you been using meth?
I've been using this since I was 21 years.
Okay, and what's up with all these tattoos that have been mishappenly drawn?
I got them when I was in state jail the first time.
Okay, what, every single tattoo you have is from state jail?
No, not all of them, not all of them.
Okay, which ones are from the state jail? Is
On
that
my
6'9"
sleeve, I
on
got
your
my
face?
right sleeve. I got my right sleeve in state jail.
All right, well,
I got-
somebody did a good
I
job
got
on
the
the
left
sleeve.
one. I got the left one and over in the forward and the tattoo shot.
Oh, okay, well, somebody did a good job on that, but why are you tattooing Marilyn Monroe on there? Are you guys related? Do you know her?
No.
Okay, so who did how can I say this kindly?
Yes, ma'am.
Who did the badly drawn numbers on your face?
I got them when I was 21 in the tattoo shop.
Somebody at tattoo shop did those badly drawn numbers.
Yes.
Okay. Why did you choose those numbers?
I don't know why, I just got them.
And what is all of this on your neck?
My mother's name is on my neck.
What's the name is on your neck?
My mother's Gabriela, I used to call her Gabby for short.
And what's on the other side, this baby thing?
What baby?
I mean, oh, that's Gabby.
Gabby.
Ah, okay.
And
And what's on the other side?
the other side, I was gonna get Viva Loca, but they
Misspelled
they
it?
misspelled it and the color broke on. Just,
Okay, so was that at an actual shop?
no, that was like when I was 12 years old.
Wait, somebody's doing a tattoo on you at 12. Where was this taking place?
Forward.
What, in someone's garage?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and they can spell living La Vida Loca.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm just trying to find, I'm just trying to figure out what's going on in your world.
Yes,
Because here's a problem. It appears that you keep coming back with a lot of thefts,
yes,
that you constantly are stealing,
yes.
and that you're homeless. And I'm trying to figure out, is there anything that can help you? Because
To be more
otherwise, yeah, keep it 100.
100 true. I grew up in a rough life. I grew up very poor. I grew up with a single mother.
Mhm,
I grew up with a single mother. I grew up in the streets. I was raised in the streets. My
mhm.
mother always worked 2 jobs. She worked at a restaurant.
So your mom is working 2 jobs to support
To
you,
raise
and
me.
you
I come
decide to
from-
grow up
I
in
come
the
from-
streets.
I come from eight kids. I'm the oldest.
Mhm.
Yes, ma'am.
I know a lot of people who come from a large number, with families with a lot of members in it.
Yes, ma'am.
I know a lot of people who have single moms who are working 2 and 3 jobs to support them. So I don't see how that translates you into ending up how you ended up.
Yes, ma'am.
Like if you want to be raised in the streets, even though your mom is working hard to provide for you and providing a roof over your house, that's your fault. That's not your mom's fault.
Yes, ma'am.
So don't come in here blaming your mom, acting as though you had a parent who was absent by her choice. You had a parent, from what you're telling me, who was actually working 2 jobs.
Yes, ma'am.
So all you had to do as a child was go to school. That was your job.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is this criminal history? Other than stealing for a living? While he's looking for that, what is your criminal history?
I have a family violence that I'm stage for with the control subjects that I violated my probation. And I haven't been down.
No. Give me your entire criminal history.
Have
Treat it as though it is a credit report. I want your criminal history report.
like what I have under less than a gram, stuff like that. I have a criminal trespassing, and I have 1 family violence that got dropped.
All right. State, do you have the NCIC, TCIC?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, what is his criminal history?
Your Honor, he received a word on a possession of marijuana out of Tarrant County. That was back in 2015. And a possession of controlled substance that was also out of Tarrant County out of 2014.
All right, and was that a possession less than a gram?
Appears to be less than a gram, Your Honor.
Okay.
And then there is a criminal trespass again out of Tarrant County that was back in 2018. And then the theft cases, Your Honor, that you have in front of you.
Okay. And so there is nothing else?
I want to hear to you, Your Honor.
All right.
I don't have a bad record.
Well, no, you do have a bad record.
Yes.
Don't minimize your record, because guess what? I bet you if you turn to your attorney, he doesn't have a criminal history.
Yes, ma'am.
I bet you turn to this attorney, he doesn't have a criminal history.
Yes, ma'am.
So don't downplay the fact that you have a criminal history. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you have any children that have not been taken away from you?
I have 4 kids, and I just had a little brother that was born, but I'm not with the mother. We're off and on.
All right. So do you want help for your drug problem? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So what I can do is I can give you probation. You're going into inpatient treatment. I can tell you, if you don't take what I'm offering, what's going to end up happening is you're going to get out of the state jail facility. You're going to continue to use drugs. You may continue to have a bunch of children. And those children are not gonna have a father figure, and if they do, and if it's you, they're not gonna have a good example of what it means to be a good father who actually works and does not steal. And then you may end up taking drugs that are bad because people don't care what they put in the drug, they're just trying to do their sale. Last I checked, meth, cocaine, crack, whatever people are using these days on the streets, they're not FDA approved.
Yes, ma'am.
So what do you want to do?
I'll take the probation.
All right. So I'm gonna give him probation if nobody has any objections, state,
No objection from the state.
defense.
No objections, that's what he wants.
All right, so if you can give him to fill out an application for probation.
Thank you, Your Honor.
We're not done.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna find you guilty, sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 5 years. I'm going to want a referral to felony drug court. He's to remain in custody until accepted. I'm gonna want a TAP evaluation, and you need to keep it 100
Yes,
with felony drug court when you go over there. Don't be dishonest with them about your drug issues, you understand?
yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna want a TAP evaluation. And if felony drug court doesn't accept him, which they should, but if they don't, we're gonna do a TAP evaluation and we're gonna follow recommendations of TAP, which should be inpatient treatment. So we'll do SATIF. I'm gonna want full-time employment. And for the court, that's 40 hours a week. You can do 2 part-time jobs at 20 hours each, of how you want to do it, but the court considers full-time employment to be 40 hours a week. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. I'm gonna want 200 hours of community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. The court is not requiring you to get the COVID vaccination. But if you have the COVID vaccination with booster, the court will deduct 40 of those hours. There's gonna be parenting classes. And if you can do that, we're gonna do compadre e compadre. And that's gonna be full-time employment within 30 days of release. I'm gonna want field visits 2 times per month until further notice. I'm gonna want the UA hotline until further notice. There should be no unsupervised contact with minors. And is there any restitution that's owed?
I don't believe so. No, Your Honor.
Okay. And let me see, what store did this take place at?
Your Honor, it was at HEB.
All right, there should be no contact with HEB. So you're gonna have to find some other store to go to.
Yes, ma'am.
Probation, is there anything else that he needs?
You're on a regular virtual or in-person appointment?
We're gonna do Zoom.
Nothing further.
All right. So that'll be regular reporting by Zoom. Is there anything else that you need from the court in order to get your life in order? All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and also probation, do a gang evaluation as well. All right. Thank you. Do better.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
You welcome.
Excuse.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.